Garlic butter you would love. The taste will leave your fingers stuck in your mouth. Don't you just love it? So I'm going to show you how I achieved this tasty garlic butter. I used 5 whole garlic bulbs to achieve this recipe. So first of all, we are going to prepare the garlic by separating the garlic from the skin, like that. And this is the easiest way you can take out the skin, by using the edge of your knife to hit on the garlic. It will just take the garlic, separate the garlic from the skin without you stressing. All you need to do is just to pick the garlic. You see it's already separated for you. So all I'm doing here is just to pick the garlic, the cloves. So after getting them together, I put all of them in the bowl. Oh, that's a lot. Now we're going to proceed into the method proper, our recipe proper. I'm just putting the skin into the bowl for further use. Now get your pan and place on the stove. Pour a little bit of oil into the pan and throw in your garlic cloves, like so. We're going to continue to stir to make sure it doesn't get burnt. And what are we looking at achieving here? We're going to make sure the garlic clove turns brown, not burnt but brown. This is the exact color we are looking for. Now we're going to put in a blender, a small blender. I use a small blender here, and I add 1 habanero pepper, a big one, and also I did add a lemon juice. Blend together. Make sure it's well blended to be smooth. And now we're going to get our jar, whatever you want to use to store your garlic. Pour it in. You can see it's still very hot. Pour it into the jar. And you can use this to spice up your chicken, your potatoes, anything it has multiple uses. You can use it to do a lot of cooking, and also your salad dressing and all that. It tastes so good. It doesn't only look good, it does taste good. And a trial will convince you. So cover it and store it in the fridge or in the freezer, as the case may be. Enjoy.